In this video, we'll reveal the amazing health advantages of pumpkin seeds and how they may improve your general well-being. If you've ever wondered what happens to your body when you include a handful of pumpkin seeds in your regular diet, you're about to find out. Before we get into the specifics, though, it's crucial to keep in mind that while pumpkin seeds have many health benefits, individual outcomes may vary. As such, it's always advisable to speak with a healthcare provider before making any big dietary changes. With that said, let's unlock the mysteries of pumpkin seeds and learn how they can improve your well-being. So let's begin. 1. Improved prostate health. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral that has positive effects on the prostate gland. Phytosterols are plant chemicals found in pumpkin seeds that have been associated with a decreased risk of prostate enlargement and associated urinary problems. Pumpkin seeds and phytosterols are known to prevent testosterone from being converted to dihydrotestosterone, a hormone that can cause prostate enlargement. By controlling hormone levels and promoting general prostate health, zinc aids in the maintenance of the prostate's healthy operation. Antioxidants found in pumpkin seeds include vitamin E, which has been connected to a decreased risk of prostate cancer. By lowering oxidative stress and inflammation, which can aid in the growth and spread of cancer cells, these antioxidants assist the body in combating dangerous free radicals. Benign prostatic hyperplasia is a prevalent ailment that many men may encounter as they age. A couple of prostate-specific antigen levels are commonly used as an indicator of prostate health, and regular ingestion of pumpkin seeds has been associated with a decrease in these levels. Pumpkin seeds' zinc, phytosterols, and antioxidants offer a variety of benefits for promoting a healthy prostate. 2. Alleviate muscle cramps. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of magnesium, a mineral that's essential for relaxed and functional muscles. Magnesium reduces excessive muscular excitability and aids in the regulation of muscle contractions, lessening the chance of cramping. Another crucial mineral for muscle health found in pumpkin seeds is potassium. Proper electrolyte balance in the body is required for maximum muscular activity and the avoidance of cramps. Moreover, pumpkin seeds include an abundance of antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which has anti-inflammatory qualities. Muscle cramps can be caused by inflammation. However, the antioxidants in pumpkin seeds aid to lessen inflammation and ease pain. The blend of magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants found in pumpkin seeds offers a thorough method of treating muscle cramps. 3. Balanced hormone levels. Zinc, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, among other nutrients that support hormone regulation, are all abundant in pumpkin seeds. The synthesis, release, and regulation of hormones, which guarantees that the proper amounts of hormones are produced and used, requires zinc in particular. Additionally, zinc is essential for metabolism. Magnesium, another element found in large amounts in pumpkin seeds, plays a vital role in over 300 enzymatic processes in the body, including hormone synthesis and function, by maintaining an adequate supply of this mineral. Pumpkin seeds support the maintenance of hormonal balance and the normal function of hormone-producing glands. Pumpkin seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory qualities and support hormonal balance by lowering internal inflammation. Prolonged inflammation can throw off hormone balance and lead to a host of other health problems. Pumpkin seeds include antioxidants that help maintain hormonal health by scavenging free radicals and oxidative stress, both of which can impair hormone function and production. Moreover, pumpkin seeds contain phytosterols, which are plant chemicals with a structure like that of human hormones. These phytosterols can function as both estrogen agonists and antagonists by binding to hormone receptors in the body. This implies that they can either replicate or inhibit the effects of estrogen depending on what the body requires. Pumpkin seeds are particularly beneficial for women going through different menstrual cycles or menopausal stages in maintaining hormonal balance because of their adaptogenic properties. 4. Alleviate menopause symptoms. The natural phytoestrogen content of pumpkin seeds can help reduce menopausal symptoms. Phytoestrogens, which are compounds found in plants, can mimic the effects of estrogen on the body during menopause. These substances have the ability to lessen common symptoms like hot flashes when estrogen levels decline, nighttime mood swings, and dry vagina. It has been shown that the phytoestrogens in pumpkin seeds, such as lignans and isoflavones, can help control hormone imbalances and reduce the frequency and intensity of menopausal symptoms. These substances are to attach to estrogen receptors in the body and mimic the effects of estrogen. Pumpkin seeds include vitamin E, which can also help by lowering oxidative stress and inflammation, two conditions that are frequently linked to menopause. Additionally, magnesium, which is well known for its calming effects on the nervous system, is included in pumpkin seeds. This mineral can help control menopause-related sleep disruptions by reducing anxiety and promoting better sleep. 5. Improved vision seeds are a great source of antioxidants, including vitamin E and beta-carotene, which are essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. Antioxidants protect the eyes from free radical-induced oxidative damage. Particularly, vitamin E has been associated with a decreased risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataract development. Additionally, eating pumpkin seeds on a regular basis can provide a natural boost of these elements that improve vision. The body transforms beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, into retinol, which is essential for good vision. Rhodopsin, an ocular pigment that aids in night vision, is synthesized in large part by the retinol. Pumpkin seeds include the carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin, which are present in the macula and retina of the eyes. These chemicals protect the eyes from UV radiation by acting as a natural sunscreen. Robust antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin shield the eye's tissues against the damaging effects of blue light, which includes blue light emitted by digital devices. According to a study, a diet rich in these carotenoids may help prevent AMD and improve overall visual acuity.